Good morning from Surabaya. I just arrived to the Surabaya domestic airport and it's time to go to Bali for me. I had 2 days in Surabaya, so thank you Surabaya for having me. I show you as much as possible. Also I came to airport by Golden Bird in Novacar. Normal price is 300k. Hotel for some reason organized it to me for 250. Actually they approached me. I know they took some commission, however it's better to use the proper services like a Bluebird or Golden Bear or something like that rather than Grab, because I have bad experiences from Grab. And anyway, that's only 50k difference, so it's better not to save in the big cities like this one, on Jakarta especially as well. I'm gonna show you a little bit the airport and overall travel vlog today. This is Surabaya domestic terminal, pretty big and pretty quiet. This is AirAsia. I fly AirAsia today. Yeah, that's pretty quiet actually today. I don't know, maybe that's how it is. Maybe it's big, maybe that's why. Nice ceiling. Also I fly AirAsia, so I have only with handbags, so I have my pass on my Apple wallet. I can directly proceed to the security check and board to the plane. So fast, 5 minutes, you don't need more. And I'm done. Took me exactly 3 minutes, maybe 3.5. Super fast actually. But it's also very interesting thing if you're traveling domestically. You don't need to have a passport as long as you have an ID, especially Indonesian driving license or KTP. Even you are a foreigner, I'm using my Indonesian driving license. No problems at all. However, if you don't have it, you are just the tourist and you don't have a passport or you don't want to carry the passport, you can carry the copy for domestic flights, at least as far as I know. However, I'm mostly using my Indonesian ID, just a little bit of information. So overall, that's the airport. I'm gonna show you around. I'm gonna find some coffee place. Maybe they have a Starbucks or something. You can still buy ole here from Surabaya. Actually, it's really Surabaya, their name. I'm not making any jokes from the saying Surabaya instead of Surabaya. Either way, airport is a little bit old looking like, but it's clean and not so busy. There are a few flights. What is this? Pelita Air, by the way. Look like a Pertamina Airlines or something. Super Jet, Lion Air, Avoid Lion Air. Super Airjet also not so good. The rest is okay. Citylink AirAsia the best. And Garuda of course, but Garuda is like overpriced. But it's nice in general. And yeah, Indonesian food here. I'm looking for Starbucks. I hope so they have it. Oh, there are not too many people. Overall situation. Gloria jeans, coffee. The view of the planes. But pretty quiet actually. I'm surprised. Domestic airport looks bigger in Bali, but this looks busier, but this one is bigger. This one is pretty big. Look like international. Actually, it's bigger than international in Bali. So it's big city, second biggest city in Indonesia. But do they have a Starbucks or not? Actually, Bebek Goreng. Actually, this is gate 8, but my gate is number 2, so I go opposite direction. I'm gonna go now and hope so Starbucks is there. As I'm flying to Bali, and Bali is second most expensive place in Indonesia, just out after Jakarta. I believe the Starbucks gonna be somewhere near to gate 1, 2, where actually people flying to Jakarta and and Bali. The boys behind me, they make me laugh, that's why I was laughing. I think not too many foreigners here, actually not too many, except some expats with their partners, what I recognize right now. Not too many foreigners in Surabaya in general. But at least they have a Bird Papa kiosk, but only kiosk, no sitting. And Boga Jaya, ole Surabaya. And there is no Starbucks next to gate 2 or 3, but there is Bangi Cafe. And they have a coffee machine. That's okay, but I'm still looking for Starbucks. I'm back to gate number 10 from gate number 2. And I'm gonna tell you, this airport is actually very big for domestic terminal. I cannot see the end. It's like a triple size of Bali airport. That means a lot of walking, a lot of quota to show you today's this airport. Still looking for the Starbucks though, but they have a polo shop perhaps. I'm a bit surprised because they have a subway in the airport here. Even Bali don't have a subway at the airport. And all American food and everything. And I think the Starbucks is nearby. I can see already. Here we go. Starbucks is next to the gate number 12. And they are even empty tables for me. That's happy days. God bless Starbucks. Saved my life this morning. Gate 12. Got my hot grande mocha and chocolate caramel stroopwafel 28,000 on the airport, same price like anywhere elsewhere, and the Grand Mocha 73. That's actually pretty good price, but I got a half price because I'm gold member of Starbucks, so yeah, that's life. Also, this is the terminal, the same actually, but the gate 1 and 2, and it's pretty new looking, and it's looks nice actually, like this one, nice chairs and everything. Boarding time. Also quiet actually, but nice, clean. It's okay lah. And now boarding number 2 from international terminal, this time for unknown reasons. You know, sometimes it's like this, and it's also delayed little bit, but AirAsia is okay lah. They just have a micro delays every single time, but it's okay. Still affordable and still safe. That's the most important thing. And terminal international. Exploring more and more. Boarding 14A over here. 14A boarding, but the 14A here is not that spacious like in Garuda Indonesia. It's still okay lah, but Garuda had a way more space, but it's more than enough. And that's the people going to Denpasar or Bali from international terminal. And the dirty window, come on guys. Alright, landed in Bali, and not on the we are going actually like this one, first time with AirAsia actually. Either way, very good to be back to Bali, and I'm so tired actually. Wake up at 6:30, and now I have 3 hours by taxi back to Tabanan. Whew, and this is it. Actually, I'm walking. Usually you go on the outside, but now I'm inside. They changed a little bit at the front of the revolver here. Okay, cool. Citylink going somewhere. Yeah, I will grab the taxi and go home. But actually, this is very cool panoramic view of the airport. First time actually I can see like this one, and this is like just very first point of view. Cool. Actually cool. And this is inside. I make a video when I was trying to use Jakarta. Just a lot of walking.